Okay, in this video, we're going to be talking about NFT architecture. If you want to build an NFT, typically you're going to need three components. You're going to need a form of data storage. In this example, we'll be using IPFS. You're going to need to select a blockchain like Ethereum or Solana or Polygon. And you're also going to need a website for visualizing your NFT. So if you want to deploy an NFT, these are the steps that you need to go through. First, you'll go ahead and upload some data to IPFS. Now, this data will include things like the image of the NFT, but also the attributes of that NFT. So if you're building a superhero character, for example, you might want to describe its superpowers in the attributes section, or anything else that you want for your NFT. And the reason that we don't do this on the blockchain is because storing data on the blockchain can be really expensive. So it's better to use a decentralized service like IPFS to do that. After we've uploaded our data to IPFS, the next step is to deploy our smart contract onto the blockchain. So here you can see we've deployed our smart contract onto the blockchain. And I've called it NFT collection because I don't want you to think that one smart contract is one NFT. One smart contract can actually be multiple NFTs because once we deploy our NFT smart contract, we can mint once, or we can mint 10,000 or 100,000 times. We can mint as many times as we like. So that's why I like to call this an NFT collection. And then what you go and you do with that NFT collection is you actually mint NFTs. Then once we've minted our NFT, our front-end website is going to call this token URI function from the blockchain, from our NFT. And that URI is going to be a URL for which it can actually retrieve data from IPFS. And that data is going to have the image and all the attributes about the NFT that our website can use to actually visualize the NFT. And it doesn't have to be our website. A service like OpenSea or Rarible will do the same thing. They will have to go and call the token URI function on your NFT, get the URL so that they can retrieve your data, and then they're going to visualize that for you. So these are the steps that you'll need to build and deploy NFTs. And these are the steps that we're going to be going through in this course. So I hope that you're excited.